Okay, now we're doing this problem. What is the difference between this one and the one before? One, there's a gamma instead of a c. Two, we're actually given something explicit here. So I'm going to use the above problem and then just plug in delta plus cosine for the initial data. So using the above, so this one shouldn't go, so this one should be pretty short. So it's going to be this. I just need to be careful. I don't have a C here. I have a gamma here. All right, let me just compile this, see how this looks. Okay, so now I'm going to get rid of my period here. I'm going to do like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to replace this with delta plus cosine. So I'm basically going to break this into two integrals. So I'm going to have this. I'll have delta. And remember, I'm not writing delta of y because it's not a function, even though I have delta of x up here. I'll get rid of that here. Never was there. And then plus this same thing here, but this is going to be cosine of y. Okay. So there's not a lot. I don't think we can do a lot with that second integral. But notice this first integral, it's a Dirac. So what are we going to do? Wherever we see a y, we're going to put a 0. And that's going to be, it's going to be this integrand evaluated wherever y is equal to 0. So this is going to be equal to this part times this part evaluated where y is equal to 0. So in this case, it just means make that go away. And this is what we have. Okay, because again, oh wait, nope, forgot this part. Plus this. Okay, and so this is what the solution is. There's really not any more that we can do with this particular solution, just because we can't compute that integral like explicitly in terms of elementary functions. So this is all we have. The main thing here is that with the delta function, what we do when the delta distribution, what we do when we integrate with the delta, we just replace the y with a 0. If there's not a subscript, the subscript is 0. Like if the subscript was 7, we would replace the y's with 7. But this is what we have for this problem. This is all that we can do for this problem.